Hello everybody and welcome to a new series of ours on the Hotplay channel. It's Human Resource Machine.
By Tomorrow Corporation, the company made great games. I remember playing World of Goo at some point in the past.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we'll do a World of Goo
sometime.
Alright.
Well, what's Human Resource Machine about? Can you tell us something about it?
So please tell us something about the game in the comments.
I mean you, of course.
Me?
Well, if you don't know, stick here because we are playing a little bit and it's our first time playing the game actually. So
I've seen a let's look at, I think he called it, by Northern Lion. Another YouTuber, you should check out his channel.
So here we go.
Yes, please select your employee ID.
You? It doesn't matter.
And
Right?
it doesn't matter.
At this point, because we haven't started a game yet.
It's over here somewhere.
Well, I think this one looks cute.
Alright.
No,
Yes,
it
that
doesn't,
one looks
but-
just like you.
Here's your badge. Please proceed to the elevator.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and these are all puzzles, so this is a puzzle game, and we'll do everything, right? Also the optional one.
Yeah, sure. So let's go to the main room. Year 1. So,
Welcome to your first day, and this is essentially you learning assembly while you do it. Assembly is a computer language, so computers only do binary, and binaries are ones and zeros. Usually you can't really read ones and zeros, so they came up with acronyms for stuff that you would write in ones and zeros, and they're just directly translated into the ones and zeros, like in a dictionary. And yeah, and you have a bunch of acronyms, and you sort them in order so they do kind of make sense, and the result is what you wanted. That's assembly language, essentially.
okay, and now look what this man wants us to do. You look like an excellent instruction follower. First job will appear over there on the right side.
In a moment.
In a moment.
Alright.
Here.
On the right side, yeah.
Remember.
I think I should be his voice.
Okay.
Remember, you can always ask me for help.
Okay, this is our job. Drag commands. Do you want to read it?
No, I want to be that guy.
Oh, okay.
I want to be whoever's behind the desk. I want to be the corporation.
Okay. Drag commands into this area to build a program. Your program should tell your worker to grab each thing from the inbox. Each thing, there are 3 things there, and drop it into the outbox. Here is the outbox.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's only an inbox and an outbox. You want to grab things from the inbox first. Run your program whenever you're ready with this icon, by clicking this icon. Okay.
Yeah, click the icon. They're telling you to click it.
Not enough stuff.
Not enough stuff in the outbox. Management expects a total of 3 items, not 0.
Okay, I am... Well, then, what about step back and debug? Okay.
Oh, okay, so you can now... Oh, you cannot add
You can
on the fly. You have to stop it to add anything. Okay.
Ah, okay, I see. Inbox to the outbox, and this 3 times, right? Can you copy? No.
No, okay. It said something about copy down here. Your program is now on the clipboard
Try pasting it
into other rooms or emails.
on Notepad or anywhere. The possibilities are endless.
Possibilities are endless, alright.
Okay.
So you copied this one. Maybe you'll need it in the next level.
Okay. Now run the what's this though?
Run. Yeah, I think this is a debugger. It steps through one at a time.
Ah, okay. So click. So you can see what your program is doing.
So in programming terms, that thing here is the debugger. And it really allows you to step through programs one at a time.
So if you're not sure.
Yeah, or if something's messed up.
Okay.
And you don't exactly...
Year 1, your presence is requested on the next floor. Okay.
Busy mailroom.
More busy.
Year 2.
2.
Well, looks like you've made it this far.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your promotion.
Thank
Most
you.
people stress out and quit before making it this far.
Oh,
But I
see.
can...
So you only entered.
Wait!
Until now.
This is my only line.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, of course.
Here's your new assignment.
Okay.
Okay. I think you can paste your program.
Paste.
Yeah.
Well, I have to read it first. I don't even know what to do. Grab each thing from the inbox and drop each one into the outbox.
Got a jump command. You can jump to different lines within your program. Okay.
Okay. Wow, how many are there? One, two. Well, I would have to write these 2 commands like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7
They
times.
gave you a new command though.
Yeah, I know. So, but I don't want that. So I jump, and it just
It jumps up here.
repeats all the time
Yeah.
until all items of the inbox are.
Yeah, I was
over
wondering about that because this is actually
Isn't it?
there's no abort condition. So I think it works like you describe it,
Yeah.
but there's no abort condition, right? Does not.
Yeah, it does not stop until there is no item, right? Let's check it.
Yeah, but a normal computer would crash at the end of this.
Ah.
You can turn up speed. Because now, so what happens at the end, boot sequence, oh, you're putting the boot sequence in. So now a computer would run to the inbox, see that there's no item, and you would get a null reference exception or something.
Ah, okay.
Does
So
it
what do you usually write there? Do you say stop or?
Yeah, you would have to have some means of knowing what the end of the list is.
Okay.
Like put a special item at the end of the list so you can check if it's a special item, I know this is the end of the list. For strings, for example, it's a binary 0 because you know, so if you want to write 0, that's a different character than binary 0. Actually everything 0. And in ANSI C you would put that at the end to know how long it is. Or in some cases you can actually, the person who gives you, I'm calling it a person but it could be a different program, who gives you the sequence can often tell you like check this sequence out check this sequence out. By the way, it's 8 elements long or something.
Okay. It's the 3rd year.
Oh no! The inbox conveyor system is completely broken! But that doesn't mean we get to take a break from now?
From work.
From work? From work.
Okay. Ignore the inbox for now and just send the following 3 letters to the outbox. Bug. Okay, so the facilities management staff has placed some items over there on the carpet for ya. If only there were a way you could pick them up. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
New command, copy from.
So I copy from, and I can select everything here. Here. Bug. Wow, that's not what I want. So there is a B over here. Copy the B. Then copy the U and copy the G. Right?
Okay, so you copy it. Okay. Not enough stuff in the outbox. Management expects a total of 3 items, not 0.
Ah, did I forget to put it in the
Yeah,
outbox?
you did not put anything into the outbox.
Oh, okay.
You need to stop it.
Need to stop. Okay. So clear.
No.
No.
No. Don't clear.
No. Okay.
You can put commands between other commands.
Oh, okay. Then.
So you don't have to start all over again.
Ah, okay. I have to copy, then put it in the outbox, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Here. There you go.
And actually do that 3 times, I guess.
Here. Is that right? Ah, put it in the outbox.
Management is very happy with you.
Okay.
Copy the floor. I have to watch my voice. I'm ruining my voice.
Ready.
Scrambler handler.
Scrambler
Handler. The conveyor system is fixed and just in time for you to get to work. The data won't collect itself.
Alright. Scrambler handler. Grab the first 2 things from the inbox and drop them into the outbox in the reverse order. Repeat until the inbox is empty. You got a new command, feel free to copy to wherever you like on the carpet. It will be cleaned later. Okay, grab the inbox, then copy to here. Then grab the inbox. What? Ah, okay. Copy to. If I copy to 0 again, what does it do?
I think it overrides, but you can use the debugger to find out.
Yeah, let's find out. It doesn't do anything? Okay.
Okay, that one you want to go to 0, okay.
So...
When you grab the next one... yeah.
Okay, it overrides.
I think that one should go to the outbox, right? That will be the result we're looking for.
That's right. And then grab this, the one in the 0. Okay.
Well...
Stop.
Okay. So...
Inbox, copy to, inbox, outbox.
Okay.
Okay. And then grab the inbox again, and then grab the copy to and put it. How does he know he wants to grab the one in the?
I think copy from has a like a designator. Yeah. See the 0. That's the address on the floor.
Okay. And then put it on the outbox. And then repeat that.
Sure.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh. Management sneezes. You can speed up once you know that it'll work.
Yeah.
With the slider bar at the bottom. Your presence is requested on the next floor. Coffee time.
5 years.
Year 5. Yeah.
Well, it's their
It's a
coffee
cut
time.
sequence.
Can we
I think don't click anything.
back to work, everyone.
I think we're getting news or something.
Regions of the city continue to experience power failure. Local authorities are investigating.
Okay, some kind of power failure. Ah, this is the power failure. The end of the cutscene is the power failure. Rainy summer. Alright. Welcome to my personal rain cloud. I was never very good at math. You look like a bureaucrat. Since I have only 3 fingers on each hand. Oh, right. But I hear you don't actually need to know very much about math to complete these assignments.
For each 2 things in the inbox, add them together and put the result in the outbox. We have a new command again. Add. Okay. Inbox, copy to, right? And inbox again.
Yeah.
And then add.
Yeah. I guess so.
Here. Okay, you have to do
And
this
then
for
you have-
each thing.
You need to put something in the outbox though.
Oh yeah, I always forget that. And the
Outbox?
copy from, right?
No, why?
Okay. Yeah,
Because she's holding, like in this example, she's holding the 1. So in step 1, she's holding the 1. Copy 2 puts the 1 on the floor on address 0. She goes to the inbox, drops the 1, gets the 3, goes to address 0, grabs the 1 on the floor, adds it to 3, so she has 4, and now she puts 4 into the outbox. And when she starts over, she just overwrites whatever was on address 0 before that.
Okay, and you have to do that again for everything. Adding, putting in the outbox. Okay, it seems to work.
Yeah. Nice. Rainy summer, your presence is requested on the next floor. Let's go for the optional quest.
The tripler room.
The tripler room.
Okay. 8 years.
Who are you?
I have been here 8 years and you don't know my name?
This optional area is for high-performing employees only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that you?
Sure.
Well, if you don't click, I can't say anything. You're late.
Is that all you have to say? Okay.
You just, I think I have to take the mouse here. 7 years late.
7
We need
years.
to make some changes around here. I want to see a 100% performance increase. From this point on, your performance will be evaluated with extra scrutiny.
Okay. Okay.
For
what do we
each
have to do?
thing in the inbox, triple it
and
and outbox the result.
Self-improvement tip. Where are we going with this? Please leave the high-level decisions to management. Okay, inbox.
We're tripling, we have to triple it because we're tripling efficiency. No, she said 100% increase. Okay, that's not tripling.
That's not tripling. Okay, now put it in the copy too, right?
Right.
Okay, then you have a 3 there. And what do you do? Triple it.
You want 9. So you have 3 in hand and 3 on the floor.
Is it 9? Triple.
Triple, 3 times 3 is 9. I'm looking at the inbox, there's a 3. So you grab the 3, you put it on the floor. You have 3, you want 9. You currently have 3 on the floor on address 0 and 3 in hand. Which I will now call the accumulator. You are the accumulator. You have 3 in the accumulator and you have 0 on the floor.
Okay, so you want to add. You cannot multiply here. So you want to add 3.
Yeah, if you
3
add
times.
3, you have 6.
Okay, you add 3.
That would give you 6.
Yes. And add 3 again. That would give you 9.
That will give you 9. I think so.
Okay, and then put this in the outbox.
Yeah, the accumulator has 9 in his hands, and this goes into the outbox.
And this, you want to do this.
Then jump, yeah.
Every item in the outbox, in the inbox. Okay, go.
3, 6, 9, boom.
Yes. Okay, faster. Don't have time for... Okay.
Trebler Room, year 8. Size challenge. 6 or fewer commands completed in 24 steps.
6 or fewer.
Yeah, these are the extra challenges. Yeah, 6 or fewer. And I think they give you the minimum amount that they calculated.
Okay.
So they use, probably they use some kind of sampler to calculate
Okay.
how many commands you use.
So, take the mouse. Please.
Yes, you can always check your own performance on each assignment optimization challenges. The 2 green lights next to each button in the elevator will tell you how you were doing. Is there anything in life more thrilling than self-improvement?
No comment. Okay.
So for each thing in the inbox, multiply it by 8 and put the result in the outbox.
So 5 times 8, there should be 40 to put in the outbox. So just grab the 5 first, copy 2, and this one here. Okay,
Yeah,
you
so
have to do it 8 times.
you multiply it by 8. Multiplied by 8 is
Adding it.
2 to the power of 3. So you need to multiply by 2 and do that 3 times.
Okay, so add 2 times.
Now you multiply it by 2, right?
That's, yeah. 5 plus 5 is
10. And now you
10.
need to multiply the 10 by 2 again. So
by 2 again. So
yeah, so the result has to be 20 next.
so add the same thing.
Okay. Now you have 15.
Huh? Do you have 20?
Of course, on address 0, currently there is a 5. And you add the 5, so you have 15 in hand.
Okay, now you have 20.
Now you would have 20, yeah.
Okay, and the 20.
Now you need to multiply by 2 again.
Is there a faster way?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, you're done with add. You can leave the add command.
Yeah.
And now you need to insert commands between the add commands to make it faster.
And you add 3
So-
times, so this is 20 right here.
Yeah, but yeah. So how did you multiply the first time? Yeah, thinking about the jump isn't bad actually. If you wanted to put it in, right?
Yes, I wanted to put it in, so you just repeat the adding
Yeah.
3 times, right?
Yeah. The adding has to be. Yeah, something has to be added multiple times. But let's go back to the inbox though. You pick up 5.
Yeah.
You put it on the floor, so there's a 5 there. And then you add the 5 on the floor, and it gets to be 2 times 5 because the value in your hand and the value on the floor are equal.
Yes.
So next time when you add, it's not a multiplication by 2 because the values are no longer equal, right?
But you want to... Oh, wait a second. So it's 10. 10. And so you're adding 5 actually.
Yeah, you need to do something to the value on the floor.
How do I multiply that then?
You can't multiply. You have to add the same value. So the value on the floor has to be the same value that you have in hand.
Okay.
And
Then
that's
I
what
copy
happens.
from?
No, actually not.
Okay, after this I have 10.
Yeah, maybe if you see it running. Can you? Okay, now he picks it up. Now the next thing you want to happen, right? If you want to add now, you want to add 10, right? So it's a multiplication by 2.
Yeah.
So you want the 10 on the floor where the 0 is. So you need to put it there. You have the 10 in hand and you need to put it to the address 0.
So
and then add it from there.
Copy the 10 into the this thing. Okay. Copy to here. So you have the 10 here, and then you add the 10. So this is a multiplication.
That's a multiplication by 2, and and now you need to repeat because we need to multiply by 8. So we multiply it by 2, another 2, that's multiplication by 4. We need to multiply by 2 again to have it be multiplied by 8.
We copy 2 and add this number again. So this is a multiplication of 2 3 times. So it's
2 to the power of 3.
2 to the power of 3. So it's 8.
Yeah.
Should be
8.
Should be 40 in the whole. Okay, let's take a look.
So 6 is, we got a new number, so 12, that worked. 24, and now it should be 48. Excellent. Not enough stuff in your box! Management expected to grab 4 items, not 0!
Wow. I just got scared. Okay. Then let's do this thing again. Oh, no.
Oh yeah, I get to scream again if you do that.
No, not actually. Okay, and put the result in the outbox, and then you get to repeat all this. Okay.
Okay. $20.40. Boom.
Okay.
This should be -8. This should be 8. This should be 0. We did it. Octoplier.
Okay.
I think so. In the second step, where you did put the thing on the floor and then added it again. These are 2 commands. Multiplying the first value by 4, if you put it on the floor and add it 3 times, this is what you had initially, is actually an equal amount of steps. So that's actually the same amount, but multiplying by 8 requires you to do the other thing so it's faster. Tetra Contiplier. Before we do that, I have a sore throat, so I need a coffee right now.
Okay, let's take a break. If you want to join the next video.
Yeah, please do. Leave us a comment on how you performed. Maybe link your videos in the comments where you show your gameplay. And see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.